A snowstorm in Houston? We could not believe it. And you know we had to get outside to explore to see if it was true. Of course, it wouldn't be us if we didn't go for a walk. And you know we turned into some big kids. So we let out our inner child and had the time of our lives. And you know we had to go through some woods just to see how it looks because, you know, in the daytime, we not doing it. This is us surviving a snowstorm in Houston. What's up, Double A fam? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now, I know if you've been rocking with us, you probably are like, what are they doing? Because this is not how we normally start any video. But we are in Texas and it is cold outside.
Very cold.
So we are expecting to live through a snow day. So the flurries have already started here. And so we said, let's just vlog the journey for our own memories and for you all to see, those who are curious to know what cold weather looks like in Texas, since that's always a topic.
You see I'm under the cover.
Yeah.
And I got pajamas on.
And not sharing with me. But anyway.
All right.
Anywho, so we are cozied up in our living room, probably about to put on a movie or something. And we did go outside to see how the snow or the, what is it, flurry?
Also, I need to do what I said I was going to do.
Oh, yes. So we want to test out this theory. So we're going to take you want to tell them what we're going to do?
I'm gonna do it right now, matter of fact. I'm gonna get a water bottle. I'm gonna put it on our balcony right there and see if it'll freeze.
Yeah, so
it's most likely gonna freeze. It's only logical.
Yeah.
So
we'll see. So we're gonna leave it out overnight and see what it looks like in the morning. So he's gonna go and do it. But yeah, so this is what a snow day or a snow night or whatever this is gonna look like in Texas. We're gonna let y'all see what we see as long as we can see it. But we are expecting to wake up in the morning to see, I guess, rooftops covered in snow. Maybe snow on the ground too, depending on how much snow falls. But yeah, so he's about to go outside right there. He has a water bottle. See, show him one more time so that they see it's a full water bottle. And he's gonna go outside and he's gonna put it out.
I ain't going all the way outside.
It's cold.
What?
It's nippy out there.
What?
Okay, so we're gonna probably get an update in the morning on the water bottle and see just how cold it got. It's supposed to be freezing temps, so we're gonna see.
And we're gonna possibly try to get out the house tomorrow. I'm gonna try to drive on snow for the first time.
Oh Lord, pray for us. We'll update y'all, trust me. But also tonight we just decided to make tacos and they were delicious.
Oh, they was off the chain.
And then I guess it wouldn't hurt to tell y'all how we prepared for this snow day or snow whatever. So we did go to the grocery store over the weekend and we did get groceries. So we have food to cook, we have snacks, we have just like, easy stuff to get us through the next couple of days. And then we also have our protective items. So we have a mini, is it a generator or is that a power battery thing? So it's basically a small mini generator, but it's not an actual generator with gas. It's more like you can plug stuff up to it and power devices, whatever. We have a mini compact heater / fan. And then we have flashlights, of course. And what else?
I mean, that's pretty much it, really. Stuff that you need to get by, just in case the power go out. Like a simple thing like that. It's called Jackery.
Yeah, it's called Jackery. It's on Amazon.
Yeah.
They have multiple sizes too. I think we have probably like the smallest one or the next smallest one. Yeah. So yeah.
It's always good to have, just in case if the power go out, you got a little fan plug up into it, you know.
So we're ready. So stay tuned to see where this Texas snow day takes us. What's up, y'all? It's the next morning, and as you can see, it actually happened. We are so bundled up. We've never had this many clothes on.
Pajamas, joggers, 2 pair of socks, 2
headbands, everything.
He got gloves on.
And y'all, like, I'm serious. Look, it's there. Like it's real life snow. So we had to put the clothes on, come outside and see what's going on. It's all good in the hood. But yes, we have not checked the water bottle yet, so we're gonna check that as soon as we get back inside. I know you did not just. Okay, y'all, we about to keep exploring, see what we can see. Like I said, it's snow, baby.
Y'all, this girl is a big kid. She said the snow tastes good.
Oh, you said the same thing. You said it tastes delicious. Y'all, this is beautiful. We have not ever in our existence in life seen this where we live. Like,
This much, at least.
Yeah, this much. This is crazy.
I think the last time it snowed was 2021.
Y'all know when people refer to Texas as hot, humid. This is different. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is different. So I'm glad we got to experience it though. Real glad.
I just hope the power don't go out this time.
I think we'll be all right.
Because the last time power was in and out. So, but if it does go out, we have our, safety measures in place.
Yep, we do. So I think what we're gonna do next, go cook some breakfast maybe.
Now she talking my language. That's why I read to my wife, y'all.
Oh,
she know how to cook.
We can go make some breakfast, get some coffee or tea going. Ooh, all is
trees,
good.
Y'all. I said the trees, not ours. But all right, y'all. I think we had enough fun in the snow, at least for now, at least.
Yeah.
Well, we'll catch y'all in a little bit. Look what this girl doing, y'all. We're supposed to be going inside for breakfast right now.
This shit is cold.
Oh, you got an icy booty now.
You said what?
You got an icy booty now. I'm proud of you because I was not doing that shit. You're crazy.
Okay, y'all. So that breakfast was really good. We cooked it. I think you did waffles, and I did everything else.
Think I did waffles?
Yeah, huh?
The waffles wasn't the best waffles you
They
had.
were good. They were good. But the breakfast was really good. It was just what we needed, honestly, after coming inside. And so, as you can see, we have our clothes on again.
We damn near fell asleep after we ate that.
Yeah, I was a little tired, but I was up early waiting on you to get up, so I'm tired. But
She was trying to
anyway,
get me to go to the room, you know.
you didn't have. You know what? It cut. Anyway, so we are about to check on the water bottle. So remember, we put the water bottle in outside, and we were like, we're gonna check on it in the morning, see if it froze. We forgot to record looking at it early this morning, but we're gonna check it right now. And as you see, the glare, the sun came out, so I'm not confident.
Not frozen at all. Yeah, I know checking. Not frozen at all, but it's cold to feel it.
You think it's cold enough to drink? Though. It is very cold. Oh, I like this.
That's mine. You can't have that.
You gonna drink it?
What? Ooh.
So.
Dang. But I'm surprised it's not frozen though, because
I know, given how much snow's outside, it is kind of weird. But so yeah, we're about to head back out and see what else is out there to see in this lovely snow that Texas has received. And yeah, so stay tuned. We'll show y'all what we end up discovering, seeing, doing. We probably can't drive anywhere, so
I'm gonna try to if I can, y'all.
We'll see. What's going on, y'all? We finally got enough courage to get in the car and drive. I don't know if y'all can see us. The sun is real bright.
But ain't that bad though.
Yeah.
I mean,
ice is still out, but the road is more paved and clear.
Yeah.
But the ice is still out nonetheless. So, but yeah, so we decided to get out, drive around, see what we could see what's closed.
We're some snow veterans now. You know what to do.
Yeah. Yes, we do. There was, I think, 2 places we saw open. A donut shop and a coffee shop, of course. So, what's next, babe?
I don't know. We're going to drive around and explore.
Y'all see that sign?
The Houston area.
The Houston area. We'll see how far we get. Okay, let's see where we end up.
What's up, y'all? We are outside in nature.
The sun is so bright. We finally found a park though, and it's open.
I think we're gonna hit up some more parks.
Yes.
This is nice.
Yes.
Especially going through the woods and stuff.
Yes.
So
this is beautiful, y'all.
You look pretty in the sunlight though.
Thank you. I can't see anything, y'all.
We can't see nothing.
We can't see nothing. So we can only hope that we're in this frame.
Hopefully we don't look crazy.
But y'all, it's so beautiful out here. Oh my God.
So, well, I'm about to say we not out do this, but it's not live, so.
No, when you watch this, if you missed it, you missed it.
You're gonna live through us then, I guess.
Yes. So we're about to keep exploring. We may hit up another park or 2. And then later tonight, dinner.
What kind?
Me.
Yeah, we just turned the camera off and this one almost fell that fast.
Look at that. Foot went from here to here. I'm scared to move.
This girl's so clumsy. I wish I would have had that on camera.
You're the one been tripping all day talking about, oh my God, ooh.
You're not supposed to tell the camera that now.
Lord. Okay.
Ooh, boy, I'm sinking. Oh. I bet you won't come. Well, hello.
Adrian, this not a lake, is it?
Nah, I doubt it. Well, hello. Welcome to my MTV cribs. A little dry.
Oh,
Mine.
oh, I didn't tell her right.
That's crazy.
What? Let me get us out of here.
My baby came in here with me, y'all. I'm shocked. I'm too tall for this.
All right, last one.
You would take the most difficult way out. Oop, I got smacked in the head. And the lip.
Don't kiss me. All right, Double A fam, we are gonna head on out of this park.
And head to the next one.
Head to the next
Hopefully
one.
we can make it there in one piece.
And like we say, you've been rocking with us, especially on our Instagram. You know we go for walks. It's not nothing new.
Nothing new. Usually it's after we eat.
Oh yeah, true. It's
Yeah.
normally after we eat
But we
or
did
on
eat
the
breakfast this
weekends.
morning, so.
Yeah. So this is nothing new. Fun for us. So we'll catch y'all at the next location. Well, Double A fam. Oh, this is muddy and okay, sorry. We just made it to our next park and it is beautiful
Very.
again. But
This park actually has a couple of, well, this part of it at least.
yeah, sorry, I keep looking down. My ankle's getting buried and I gotta be sure, I'm not getting stuck. But this park is huge. This park has a lot of like trails and stuff to cover. And so we are just getting started. So now we're about to head into like the woods, the tree area.
Not you leaving me.
I know. Sorry.
Oh, it's beautiful back here, boy.
Oh man. Okay, y'all, hold on. We'll be right back.
We've been. You only live once, y'all. It's not, I ain't gonna lie. It looks fun. It is very fun. But walking through the snow, that's the hard part. But how often do you get to walk through the woods in Houston in the snow? All right, Ari.
There's no way out of here.
Y'all, look at this.
Sorry for sniffling so much.
Look at that, y'all. Literally in the woods.
Do you want to build a snowman? Ari here.
You lame.
Y'all, some people have some really large footprints. Jesus.
You go that way?
Oh.
Yeah. Let's get it.
Dun, dun, dun.
It looks like people been back here already.
Oh yeah,
All
for
these
sure. Look
footprints.
all these footprints. People have
Yeah.
definitely been back here.
gorgeous.
Hmm?
Oh.
Go, babe, go.
Oh. Hey, trip up.
Hey!
Oh man.
You actually did it.
You what?
Yes.
Y'all actually did the trip off. She don't never let me make it. I don't know how to dance, but I did it, baby.
You did.
Are you smiling like that? Stop it. Making me blush.
Oh, whatever.
Look at my baby, y'all.
Y'all, I am. My gases are flabber.
You know the unfortunate part?
What?
You still got to go home and cook.
By myself.
Well, I might do the rice. You are absolutely beautiful.
Dang.
I hope our mics are on because if it's not,
Let's
it's
see.
gonna be sad.
On.
Okay, you are gorgeous. Oh my! You don't want that. Oh, it's in my.
Where did us go?
It's in my ear. It's in my ear. You taking it too far now. You taking it too far. Let's go. It's in my ear, bro.
It went behind my shirt. It's gonna melt.
Oh, what the hell?
Ooh. 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 We're gonna have to run that back in this. Tell myself, ooh. Y'all, Adrian played too much.
Me?
You started it. Okay, you guys, we finally made it back home from our exploration in the parks. It was fun. You had fun?
I had a lot of fun, especially with you.
Oh my God, I had fun too. It was really good to be out in the snow and get to experience it. I just finished cooking, so do not mind our kitchen because, yes, I was cooking. And now we're about to eat our dinner. It smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. And then we're gonna watch a movie. So this is what our Houston snow day consisted of. So let us know in the comments if you also experienced this snow day, or if you're somewhere else other than Texas and you had a snow day, or it's a regular day for y'all but it's snowing. Let us know. We want to know where y'all are. Make sure you like this video, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It'll really help us out, and it'll also make sure that you continue to see us across your feed. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. We're about to go eat this food. We'll catch y'all on
Swallow this food.
the next one. Bye.